So hello guys, welcome again. Kindly read the disclaimer. We don't provide any type of tips, calls, etc. So if anyone is providing in the name of NiftyHacks calls, tips, etc. so he's a fraud, not us, right? So if you guys remember, we have uploaded the F-35 strategy only code video last week. This one, I guess, right? Before 9 days. So I received the comment from Mr. Krishnam Raju, right, that he have fetched a typing mistake, that in the runtime of set 2 repair 13 we have used 213, right, but it should be 231. So he's right. By mistake I would have added that. So this is regarding that. So here in the video, if you see, after 11 minutes, right, here it should be 231. This is the only code video. So in the set number 2 repair 13, so let me update that once. And I genuinely thank Mr. Krishnam Raju for finding this mistake. So here you need to select 231, right? If you have remembered, in the repair ones, second repair ones of set number 2, we have selected proper way only RO231. But I guess in the runtime of the third repair ones, we by mistake selected 213. So this was the code update required. So I am giving this update. Right. So this was the video, and this is the code update for that. Right. Let's check that whether it's saved or not properly. So that's 231, right? And this is the live running strategy currently. So yes, thank you guys. See you in next video.